Well, days ahead of Delhi elections, Election Commission, which has received a complaint, rather when it comes to the mobile application C-Vigil, alleging that money was being distributed from Kapurthala House, the official residence of the Punjab Chief Minister in Delhi. The EC's flying squad was initially not allowed entry into the premises, but later gained access only to find the rooms locked. Returning officer O.P. Pandey said that the doors of the rooms were locked and the search could not be conducted.
गेट पे खड़े हम लोग अभी अंदर कह रहे पेरी फेरी में देख लीजिए लॉक लगे थे कमरे में वी कैन नॉट वेट टिल इटर्निटी सो वी आर गोइंग बैक
आगे क्या करेंगे आप
सर ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ सर
रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे इसका
हाँ सर रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे सर
तो आपका जो सर्च था वो खत्म हो गया
क्या सर
सर्च कर पाए आप
नहीं हुआ सर
Now, the searches has Man's Delhi residence, which has sparked off a political war of words, while the BJP claims that cash is being transported from Punjab to influence elections in Delhi. Kejriwal, however, has equated the action of targeting the Aam Aadmi Party leaders before the elections and asked why no action is being taken against BJP's Parvesh Verma, who was openly seen distributing cash and other items.
पंजाब से और जो सब एमएलएज हैं जहां बीजेपी के खिलाफ यहाँ एमएलए जो पंजाब से हर रोज आ रहे हैं जिनसे भी ये पैसे ले सकते थे तो इन्होंने सबने वहां से पैसे उठाए हैं क्योंकि केजरीवाल और दिल्ली आम आदमी पार्टी ने पंजाब को हमेशा ही एटीएम समझा है। गाड़ी भी पकड़ी गई सुबह जब पंजाब सरकार लिखा था इलेक्शन 5 तारीख को है तो उससे पहले जो 2 दिन होते हैं तो उसमें ये आम आदमी पैसा जो बांटती है
वो शरेआम पैसे बांट रहा है। प्रवेश वर्मा क्या नाम है उसका? हाँ तो वो दिखता ही नहीं है, नजर ही नहीं आता इनको। वो ट्वीट करके पैसे बांटता है कि आज मैं यहाँ पे पैसे बांटूंगा तो उसका तो ध्यान नहीं है। भगवंत मान के घर पे रेड कर लो, केजरीवाल के घर पे रेड कर लो, सौरभ भारद्वाज को पकड़ लो।
अभी आपने बताया कि पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री दिल्ली में जहां रहते हैं कपूरथला हाउस में उनका निवास है पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री का, उनके ऊपर शायद रेड की जा रही है। मेरे को समझ नहीं आता कि पैसे तो बीजेपी के नेता बांट रहे हैं और रेड पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री भी हो रही है, ये कहां का राज है?
Now, this war of words comes at a time when large amounts of cash and liquor that has been seized from a car with the Punjab government sticker in the poll-bound national capital, with the police saying that the Aam Aadmi Party pamphlets were also found in the trunk of the car. Delhi police, meanwhile, have registered a case and are examining CCTV footage as part of the investigation. However, sources suggest that the initial investigation that has been going on the car's number plate was apparently fake, as it is also being claimed by the Punjab government. Let's get in a word from Tetri, who's joining us on the phone line. Tetri, good morning. A lot of developments that have now taken place in the last 24 hours alone as we are now moving towards or inching towards the Delhi elections. First angle when we talk about these raids and on what purpose as far as when it comes to the investigation that seems to be heading on this suspicious car that was found near the Punjab Bhavan.
Well, you see, absolutely. Good morning, Amita. First of all, as you rightly mentioned, these all developments are taking place at a time when we are very closely inching towards the Delhi elections. And yes, as these two things. First of all, let us talk about the car that was seized outside Punjab Bhavan. Investigation is underway. What we were being told is that the driver was on run, and hence they are trying to ascertain that whom does the car actually belongs to. And on the same day, when the car was spotted outside Punjab Bhavan, the cash, liquor and the pamphlets were seized outside from that car. On the same day, there goes a complaint on the C-Vigil app, on which the Election Commission, the Delhi CEO team, the team of Election Commission reaches over there, and in fact they try to go inside the Kapurthala House, that is the official residence of Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, where they are not allowed to go inside the house, but they go to the premises. And in fact, then comes a statement from the CEO Delhi, who says that these are not raids, but in fact they are normal routine searches because of the complaint they received on the C-Vigil app. Certainly, this entire matter is going to escalate. Aam Aadmi Party is not going to stop over here. They are going to rake up this issue. Since yesterday, they have been saying that they are intentionally targeting the Punjabis. So we'll have to see that what
right.
do they do today.
Well, there have been series of allegations on different issues, on different topics that has now been taken up. Of course, this back and forth that has been now continuously happening, especially between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Tetri, thank you very much for joining in. Let's quickly listen in to what Ravneet Singh Bittu also has to say on this.
मैं पंजाब से और जो सब एमएलएज हैं जहाँ बीजेपी के खिलाफ यहाँ एमएलए जो पंजाब से हर रोज आ रहे हैं, हमें बहुत लोगों ने बताया भी जो जिनसे पैसे, कोई बिजनेसमैन है, कोई लुधियाना में, जलंधर में, अमृतसर, जिनसे भी ये पैसे ले सकते थे, तो इन्होंने सबने वहाँ से पैसे उठाए हैं क्योंकि केजरीवाल और दिल्ली आम आदमी पार्टी ने पंजाब को हमेशा ही एटीएम समझा है। तो जब सब एमएलए किसी न किसी अपने एरिया में जो बड़े सेठ लोग हैं उनसे वो पैसे मांगेंगे भी हमें पैसे चाहिए तो हमें इलेक्शन में दिल्ली में लेके जाने हैं, तो ये बात पंजाब में आमतौर पे हर जगह ये बात घूम रही है। तो इसलिए वो गाड़ी भी पकड़ी गई सुबह जब पंजाब सरकार लिखा था